Benimar Motorhomes 2022 range, and I'm in Dusseldorf. It says here Benimar new, so I presume that this hasn't been seen anywhere before. Well, it doesn't say world premiere as it normally does, but it says new, so it's probably original. It is original because I had a peek inside. It costs 83,500 euros. It's called the Amphitrion 983 Alpha. It's 7 meters long, 237 centimeters wide, and that 237 centimeters in width might be enough to put you off if the price doesn't frighten you off first. If the width would be a frightener for me, the price would make it impossible, and I'm not really certain of the layout, although the layout was not that bad, I suppose. But one thing I don't like is this enormous bed up here. But where else are you going to put the bed? Well, we'll have to decide that once we've had a look around the van. Note this, it says Alde, the king of comfort. Alde is quite an expensive option for those who are wanting heating in their vans, which is everybody, or probably everybody. Oh, I put my hand on this now, and that's hot. Now, that is positively, well, not hot, but it's positively warm. Anyway, I don't know why. Right, so you've got a bed down here in the garage. That will come out. That's sort of just there for show. You'll take it out, stick it in your own garage at home, and never look at it again until the time came to sell the van. And you think, what did I do with that bed that was in the garage? Until, of course, you suddenly find out that your brother, your brother's got some lass pregnant who's 30 years younger than him, and you think, hang on, maybe we could take the child away on a trip somewhere. That might happen as well. Oh, let's try and open this. Now you've got a drawer there. So I think for the storage, actually, that is a bit of a storage wonder, as they say in Germany at this event. Toilet up there, you got a big step up to the toilet, and quite elegant though. I mean, plenty of space there. Kitchen is absolutely enormous, even though it's only 7 meters long. Now this van is as long as mine. Mine's 7 meters, and it seems to be a lot. Mind you, it's not this wide, otherwise I wouldn't be driving it. I find width to be the biggest single problem with vehicles. Lighting is lovely, and oh, show you the hobs, because now motorhome producers are, or maybe it's more Thetford and Dometic and similar companies, are realizing that the hobs need to be spaced out further, that people are not using a sort of a mess tin from 1946 on there, but they're using proper domestic pans. So I think that one there is caught on, and you see you've got plenty of space though up here to do your preparation work and all the rest of it. And you've got this storage down here, which is unusually shaped. There you go, look at that. I've got a bag on my back, which sort of hinders my movements a little bit. Storage down the back there. That, oh, I like that actually. That is very nice. What about this here? Right, this. I wonder how far this comes out. Look how far it goes back. There might be something to the side though, so we'll have a peek at that. Oh, that's a good sized drawer. I hope there's not dead space at the other side. Remember that next to the window we're going to check, and down here as well. Oh, something is down there. I wonder what it could be. This doesn't go back very far at all. Right, my van has something here like this too. Exactly the same. They must have copied me. They must have sent somebody around to have a look at my van and said, look, that will do that. Only we'll do it better with a higher chair behind. That's what I think happened. Right, lounge is great. Table is enormous. And I'll even show you how much the table... Oh, somebody's helped themselves to the spring water. I'll move this. And now we can have a look at how big the table is, or isn't. No, enormous table. Pretty good. Now to come back to my other question I asked when I came in, where are you going to put the bed? Well, the thing is, you're not. It's going to have to go there. There's nowhere else for the bed to go. How do you get the bed to come down? Right, what you're going to have to do is you go up front here, and then you release the handle to get the thing, sorry, do this properly. Get the chair to go down. So the chair goes down like that, making enough space for the bed to drop down. Yeah, we'll give it a go. I mean, if I get thrown out now, it's late in the evening, so... Oh no, sorry. Did you see what I did there? I bet you think I did that deliberately, didn't you? So so this one here is going to have to come down as well. Oh, where's the thing for this? Yeah, I'm just tired. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with two hands, but I can't. Alright, well, you get the general picture. Sorry, it's difficult filming at the same time as... Alright, so, and this now comes down. Right, it's on the top of the... I just wanted to show you in general. Obviously, this chair has to come down further. It's not broken or anything. It's just difficult to do. And you've got this huge expanse of bed up here. I don't think, actually, as much as I don't like beds above the driver's position, I don't mind it when there's no choice. And this is one of those times when there's absolutely no choice, because all the other spaces have been taken up with something else. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a drawer. Right, now we're going to do this checking on the outside. So, 5-year guarantee, which, to be quite honest, well, it depends on what. I expect more. I expect a water ingress guarantee personally of 10 years, because that's what other companies in this group are offering. You've got plugs in there. You might be able to charge your electric bike up. Amphitrion, using this system, the Aldi system, the king of comfort. And anyway, we're not going to be able to see the what the other side's like, so we're going to instead compare it to this van here, which is the Amphitrion 961 Alpha, and this thing here costs €77,675. This is hot as well. I wonder why. German layout at the back. Which of the two do you prefer? To be quite honest, I think I'd have the other one. But I just don't like I couldn't drive the width. 230. Yeah, I know it only sounds like 2 centimeters. No, I wouldn't. Actually, even 235, I don't feel comfortable. 230 is about my limit. Another thing is, I think I might even feel, I know it sounds silly, but I might feel more comfortable if it was a semi-integrated, because when you got this, when you get in it, it seems that you've got this huge vehicle. You've got to control. You know what they've done? They've left the heating on. Well, I suppose that demonstrates how well the King of Comfort works. So, there you have Amphitrion 983. It's a new van for 2022. It's 237 centimeters wide. It's got lots of storage at the back, and it would have storage for your bike if you got rid of that bed. So there you have it. I'd like to have shown you more, but I couldn't get round the side wall. Thanks for watching.